Heavy vehicles backing up account to over 36% of construction fatalities, with over $60 billion USD spent on employee compensation every year due to blind zones. Nearly 1 out of every 4 accidents at construction sites can be accounted due to blind zones. We at LivNSense have collaborated with ecosystem partners to create ViCAS, AI vision-based collision avoidance system, which uses an AI-based self-learning approach to analyze data from cameras and sensors and provide real-time visual and acoustical warnings to drivers by using its patented AI vision-based algorithms and predictive analytics for near hits, misses. By using data from the vehicle's onboard computer and combining it with the data from GPS and gyro sensors, ViCAS provides improved accuracy for proximity detection. This data is sent to Azure Cloud Platform and is analyzed by our AI-based platform, iSense4i, to constantly evolve and provide with accurate predictive analytical solutions in the future. This data can also be used for real-time tracking of safety compliance of workers at the sites and its efficiency. In addition, the platform can benchmark the driver's safe driving compliance with predictive accidents warnings and create hazard maps of the construction sites based on the data collected. ViCAS also has plans to introduce advanced safety features for automated safety controls, like auto braking and auto engine shutdown for enhanced safety, including support for AEMP 2.0. ViCAS is a comprehensive solution for improved safety compliance, reduced accident compensation, and reduced insurance premiums.